These FRIDEKO home dimmable floor lamps provide remarkably flexible lighting with a wide range of color temperatures and stepless brightness control that makes it easy to fine-tune the atmosphere in any room. The included smart bulbs support an impressive spectrum of colors and dynamic effects, so you can shift from calm warm white for reading to vivid party lighting without changing fixtures. Between the remote control, foot switch, and smartphone app, the lamps are genuinely convenient to operate from the sofa or bed, and the timer function is handy for winding down at night. The tall, slim design with a weighted base feels stable yet unobtrusive, sliding neatly beside sofas or desks, while the neutral white shades diffuse light evenly. Music sync and customizable scenes turn these lamps into a fun backdrop for gaming, movie nights, or gatherings, adding immersive color that responds to what you are listening to. Assembly is straightforward with clearly labeled parts, and once they are set up, the pair of matching lamps gives a cohesive modern look that works well in living rooms, bedrooms, or home offices.